Hello, so today we are going to start a new video series that is called arithmetic, or as just simply we can say it as numbers. So as the first video of the series, I'm going to start from fractions. So you can check our previous videos also in our YouTube channel, and please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so you can be updated. So let's move to the video. And here, first of all, I'm going to tell you what is a fraction is. Okay, always a fraction have two sides, that is called numerator and denominator. So, if I write a fraction like this, my fraction is x over y. So, the above part is always called as numerator and the lower part is known as denominator. So, it's very easy. The above one is numerator and the below one is denominator. Okay. So, now you have to know how to find a numerator and denominator in a given fraction. So, let's think that this is a pizza and I'm going to color one part of it. And there are how many parts in this pizza? It is divided into 8 parts. Okay. Now I am going to color one part. And now I am going to write the fraction of this. Okay. Now just tell me how many parts are there? To how many parts this pizza has been divided? Yes, very good. That's 8. So there are 8 parts together. Altogether there are 8 parts. So that is the denominator. And we have to put the number of colored parts in the numerator. So how many parts have been colored here? How many parts? Yes, that is 1. So we will put that 1 in the numerator. So the answer for this image is 1 over 8, 1/8, or 1 from 8. You can use any method as you wish. So this is 1 over 8. That's clear. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color another part. So now how many parts altogether are there? Yes, that is again 8. And how many parts have been colored? Yes, 2 parts. So this is the answer. The answer has been changed, right? So again, I'm going to color another few parts. So okay, so how many parts are here now? Altogether, yes, there are 8 parts again. So how many parts have been colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 parts have been colored. So this is the fraction. It's very easy to write the fraction when the image is given. That's it. So next, we are going to discuss about the types of fractions. The first type of fraction we are going to discuss is unit fractions. So, unit fractions. What do you mean by the word unit? Unit means 1, no? Okay, so unit fractions mean the fractions that have number 1 in the numerator. That means like this. 1 over 2, 1 over 8, 1 over 100, 1 over 5. You can put any number in the denominator or else you can put any number in the lower side, but you have to put only 1 in the numerator of a unit fraction. Clear? So in the unit fractions, the numerator is always 1 and the denominator can be any number unless 0 or 1. Okay? Because 1 over 0 is not discussed or not mentioned in mathematics, and if it's 1 over 1, that is not a fraction, no, that is just 1. So you can use any number in the denominator under 0 and 1 and the number 1 in the numerator. So that is called unit fractions. Now the next type is proper fractions. Proper fractions. Okay. Now you know there are 2 sides in a fraction, numerator and the denominator. Okay. So in proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. The upper one is small, lower one is large. Like this. 2/5. Now 2 is the numerator, no? Numerator is less than the denominator. 2/5. The upper part is small, the lower part is larger. That's it. So another example. 5/11. 7/100. Or else 1/200. So I have to tell you this. A unit fraction is also a proper fraction. Unit fraction also an example for proper fraction. Okay. So in proper fractions, numerator is smaller than the denominator. That is called proper fractions. Okay. So our next topic is improper fractions. Improper fractions. Improper fractions. So in improper fractions, the other way around of the proper fractions, this is numerator is larger than the denominator. Numerator is larger, or else the upper side is larger than the lower side. It's like this. Let's write some examples. 25/2. 83/4. 5/2. 18/, let's think that is 7. Okay. Always the upper number or as the numerator is larger. Denominator is lower. Okay. Denominator is smaller. So these kind of fractions are known as improper fractions. But now you have to remember, we can't keep a fractional answer as improper fraction. So we have to convert that one into something else. What is that? Yes, very good. That is called mixed numbers. So that is the thing we are going to discuss next. So that is called mixed numbers. So here I'm going to tell you some examples for mixed numbers. In mixed numbers, there is a whole number here and a fraction like this. Another example, 3/2/7. Always we have a whole number in one side of the fraction and we have the fraction. 1/2/9. Okay, these are the examples for mixed numbers. Now, in the next part, we are going to discuss how to convert a mixed number into improper fraction and improper fraction into a mixed number. So, in this part, we discussed what is called a fraction, what are the types of fractions, and under type of fractions, we have discussed about unit fractions, proper fractions, and improper fractions, and finally what are known as mixed numbers. So, in the next video, we are going to discuss how to convert a mixed number into improper fraction and how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. So, let's meet soon. Goodbye.